put some clothes on you? You ready? Button. Shoo-wee, I think Dad left a poop diaper in here. Holy cow! That Tinky! You're Tinky girl. Hey guys, good morning. I have not done a vlog in like forever. Seriously, I think it's been months and months. And I used to do vlogs all the time, like way back in the day. But I haven't done it in a very long time. So today's the day I'm getting it done. Andrew is home today. He is out and about. He is actually right now fixing our AC in our car because it is broken and it's like 90 degrees these days in Charleston, and I'm pregnant and I'm not gonna go through the summer without AC because it literally drains you. It makes you feel so tired, and it's just time for us to get it fixed. So that's where he is right now. We did go and get it fixed the other day, like I don't know when it was, maybe half a week ago. We went and got it fixed, but as soon as we got it home, the AC stopped blowing cold air and was just blowing hot air again. So we're thinking there's a leak somewhere. I don't know how much it's gonna cost us, but at this point it's the only car we have that has, well, that had AC. Andrew's car doesn't have AC either, so we have to have a car that has AC. Long story short. So that's where he is right now. We might end up having to take it to a different place. So I will go with him a little bit later if we end up having to drop it off. That way I can get him home. So right now we're just kind of hanging out. I'm putting Emerson in some clothes for the day. Can you say hi? Hey! Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Oh, that was nice.
It's friends.
Those are your friends. Tell them.
Hi.
Hi. Do you love them?
Hi.
Can you tell them you love them?
Hi.
Say I love you.
Love you.
What color is this?
Rouge.
Good job. What color is this?
Red.
Good job. Wow, Mama's impressed. So I'm 18 weeks pregnant, but I, for the last couple days, have just been feeling super tired and like I'm unmotivated to do anything, and I just don't have any energy, and I just literally want to sit and lay on the couch or in bed and watch TV and eat food, which is not good because the choices of food that I'm like wanting are not like healthy foods. And I feel terrible when I eat junk food. So it's like, it's a vicious cycle of I crave these unhealthy foods, I eat these unhealthy foods, then I just feel terrible. So I'm gonna really try and eat a little bit healthier today. I had watermelon for breakfast, then I had some boiled peanuts for a snack. That's a very southern thing. I had never had boiled peanuts till I moved to Charleston, actually. It's the only place I've ever had them. They're so good. They're salty and really tasty. So Emerson and I had that for a snack. But I'm gonna try and do my best to eat a little bit healthier today. But we shall see. Because all I want is junk food. Like, I have a craving right now for cake. And I might make a cake today. It just sounds fun and delicious. Hey, that's Mama's seat. Mama was sitting there. Guys, this is a little bit embarrassing. This is our patio. We have no storage for all that junk. And we also have no patio furniture. So this is Emmy's little pong chair from IKEA. and my butt fits in it just barely. So when I come out here and I'm playing with her, I sit my big old butt in this tiny little chair. And I came out here and Emerson was sitting in my chair. Can I sit here? Thank you. So we are out on the patio enjoying, we're enjoying a much cooler day than it has been the last couple days. So we can actually sit out on the balcony and like enjoy being outside. So you have, what are you eating, baby?
A cheese.
Yeah, she's eating a little cheese stick. Do you want Mama to help you with that cheese?
Okay.
Okay. It is hotter than heck in this car right now. I'm in my car and we are taking it to get it fixed. Andrew just got back and said that there is officially a leak somewhere, and that is why the AC will not hold a charge. So we're taking it. He's driving Emerson in his car. Oh gosh, it is so sweltering hot. It's only 83 degrees, but the humidity. Bye. We are winding down with some Mickey Mouse and some animal cookies so that someone will take a nap. But she has been so cuddly the last like week. Hasn't she, Andrew?
She has.
It's amazing. I've been waiting like 20 months for this. It's great. I don't know what's gotten into her, but I will take it. Can Dada put you to bed?
No.
Can Mama put you to bed? That's usually what happens, is that she won't let anybody but me put her to bed. Can Dada put you to bed?
No.
Please?
Mama.
Mama. Alright, let's go take a nap, okay? Get the Mother of the Year award because Emerson is having eggs and mashed potatoes with spinach in it, and she's clearly loving it. She's been sitting here for like 15 minutes and has barely touched anything. And our dishes are so dirty that I didn't have a lid for her sippy cup, so she's drinking it like a big girl. Ah, Missy. And then I have an awesome husband who's going to cook dinner for us. I wanted to give y'all a belly update. I'm 18 weeks and 1 day, and I'm really starting to pudge out. Look at that. It's getting big and it's getting real. I feel though it might just be a lot of bloat. I've not been eating very healthy lately, and so that could be a lot of what it is, because when I wake up in the morning, the bump is definitely not this big, but I'm embracing it for what it is. We find out in 1 week from today that I'm filming this, if we're having a girl or a boy. So I'm very excited to find out, first of all, and then to do a reveal and share that with you guys, because I think that'll be really fun. Baby's moving a lot. I definitely felt him or her a lot last night. I was laying down in the bathtub and the baby was just going to town. So we love this little baby. It doesn't open, baby. Emerson, what color is this?
Red.
No. Emerson, what color is this? What color?
Red.
It's green. There you go. What color is this one? Excuse me, Mama can have it. You gotta share with Mom. What color is this? Orange. This is yellow. We gotta work on that, huh? So what happened with the car today?
We had a hole in the compressor. We have to get it replaced.
Is that gonna be expensive?
Very expensive.
Crap. Is it good?
Milk?
Did you drink the milk out of your cereal? Yeah, who taught you to do that? I have been craving cake today, so I have decided that I'm going to make myself a coconut cake because that sounds stinking good. But I wanted to show you guys the book that I'm going to use. This is called The Cake Mix Doctor, and I got this from my grandma, my paternal grandma. After she passed away, I inherited her cookbook. She made the coconut cake out of here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So every time I make this cake, it totally takes me back and reminds me of my grandma. Let you guys know what has been going on in our lives lately. We have quite a bit to update you guys on, and at the same time we can't give out a whole lot of information. One, because we want to keep some things private, and number two, because we don't have all the answers yet. So I'm going to do the best that I can to kind of just update you and fill you in on all that I can share and all that I know to share. First of all, I've already said this on Instagram, so if you're one of my Instagram peeps, you already know this, but we will be moving very soon, hopefully very soon. We are staying in Charleston, so we're not moving out of the town that we just moved to. Thankfully, we are staying here. We love it here, but we are just moving apartments. So we have been in our current apartment for 6 months now. I guess the best way to say it is it's just a new chapter in our life, and we're excited about this new chapter. We could be moving around the beginning of June, or it could be in a couple months from now. We're not entirely sure. We don't have all the details of when we will be moving, but it could be very, very soon. So this has been going on. It seems like it's been going on for a while. I feel like it's not been that long. At least a month though, that we've known that we're going to be moving. There's just been a lot that our family has been going through, aside from the move. Like, the move is totally separate, but we're just kind of in a transition stage in our lives, in many areas of our lives. I mean, we're about to have a baby, so that's one big thing. But there's just lots of other things that we are really thinking about and making decisions on, and it's been a lot. And then add pregnancy hormones on top of all of it, and you get a funky situation. Let's just leave it at that. For a good 2 weeks, I was just not in a good place. Because of some circumstances, but also just like hormones. Hormones are all over the place right now. I'll go into more details about this in maybe like a bump date, because it's been a while since I've done that. But after I had Emmy, had some major baby blues. Like, it was beyond baby blues. And that was no fun. And I dealt with that for a little while. It was really hard on not only me. I mean, it was no fun for me to have to go through it, but it was just hard on Andrew too. And so I think that I'm kind of dealing with some of that during this pregnancy, and it's possible to have the same kind of hormonal, emotional things while you're pregnant too. So I think that that's kind of not helping the situation. And then Andrew got mono and was like very sick for a long time, and he's still recovering from it. Thankfully, we're getting through it all. It just seems like it's like all hitting us at the same time. But we are choosing to have a good attitude and a happy heart about all of it, because we believe that something big is in our future. And that is the attitude that we are going with. But anyways, we're getting through it and we're happy. We are happy. So anyways, I just wanted to update you guys and fill you in on what is going on in our lives. And yeah, there's gonna be some changes, but they're good changes. So anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see